On the onset, I would like to thank all the doctors sitting over here. I must compliment, okay, it was a very critical case which was admitted over here. He went through two phases. He was already hospitalized in this hospital. Later on, he was discharged. The patient Balbinder Singh was discharged. Again, we had to come back, as doctor said, technically due to neurological problem. Then that problem was properly taken care. Surgical interventions were done by our neurosurgeon, Dr. Randhir sir, and his team, Atiq sir. We Atiqul Rahman sir, after speaking to Dheeraj sir, because I had worked for hospital industry for quite good time and diagnostic line. So after speaking to him, I had developed that confidence, yes, our patient can come out of this particular issue comfortably. Randhir sir made it very clear that the surgery is very complicated one, because the patient is very critical, but he would put his best efforts on there and get him out of it, try his level best. 97% chances were not there of the patient surviving, being very frank. And as a family member, everybody gets pissed off. And then even I was very much serious, feeling bad about it. But then we took some second opinions with my cousin sitting over there behind there. We went to other hospitals, we took second opinions. And also we spoke to some senior most surgeons in this industry. They were also, let me tell you, usually praising another doctor, it's not that easy. But I found doctors praising Dr. Randhir sir. Then I felt, yeah, now when the senior most surgeons who are praising, so we are in the right hands. The surgery went well. He came out, we were very much worried, but the patient came out successfully with a successful surgery being done by one of the most successful surgeons. I must say, I must compliment that. So now, apart from that, that is needed. It's all for him. And then, above all, the most eminent team over here, Samuvedan sir. I'm repeatedly telling sir because we have developed that respect. Otherwise, we call just Dr. Dheeraj, Dr. Randhir, Dr. Samuvedan. But the kind of respect we have developed towards this hospital. Yes, all hospitals go through all the phases of ups and downs, and they get some bad names out of some. Look, when we have 5,000, 10,000 cases being treated, 1 or 2 cases, they will go hayway. वहाँ पर कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता ही आता है. So for that, hospital cannot be blamed. It's matter of faith and luck, and sometimes things happen. With human tendency, human errors are also possible. I'll not rule out that it has happened that way, but yes, human errors are possible. Now, this team has properly taken care, and even Sabuvedan sir was very, very kindful to attend our patient comfortably, and all our queries were properly answered. जब जब हमको ज़रूरत पड़ी कि हमारा पेशेंट किस हालत में है, क्या है, कैसा है, so they would always brief us. And hats off to this gentleman who fought the battle. Now through this media, yeah, really hats off. It's Vaiguruji's kirpa, and then his will to come out of this particular problem fighting. He was near to the deathbed. But then the encouragement done, and also our ENT surgeon who has rightly, timely intervened, and yes, some communication gaps were there here and there. Let me not rule out that as well. But yes, overall, all is well that ends well. All treatments were properly done. Our ENT surgeon, Dheeraj sir, also has properly taken care. Even now, the follow-up is going on. Patient is recovering. It is a critical surgery, as Dr. Randhir sir said. So it will take little time for him to come out of it, and he is fighting for it. And family-wise support. ये मीडिया के थ्रू मैं ये कन्वे करना चाह रहा हूँ कि पेरेंट्स, रिलेशंस, ये सब का सपोर्ट डॉक्टर्स का तो रहेगा ही रहेगा कि मतलब it's a hospital which is treating them. And parents have properly, and the family, especially this gentleman here, was day in and day out taking care of his brother. Today's day, we hardly find brothers like this who properly take care. He has given all his job, रहने कुछ भी रहने भाई मेरे को मेरे भाई को बाहर लाना है इस चीज़ से. And not taking much of your time. Through the media, I would like to, Sagar sir, thank you once again to you as well, gentleman of team of Dr. Randhir sir, who was always communicative. This is what a patient attendants need. कि communication होना चाहिए, counseling चाहिए sir. Sometimes this counseling misses in some hospital. That is where the lacuna will build up in a different direction. It will take some different directions. तो lacuna को हटाना है. वो यहाँ पर Dr. Sagar was one who was always communicating, yes, रात हो दिन हो कि भाई कब क्या हो रहा. And also we have approached Samvedan sir, ye lakuna hai, thoda sa please clear kar. And he was kind enough to remove all that problems and attend to it. And our patient is sitting here once again. Thank you. And as I was just missing out again, मीडिया के थ्रू आप सबका शुक्रिया कि आप लोग सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं. मैं सबको ये कन्वे करना चाह रहा हूँ जनरल पब्लिक को, सिंस वी कम फ्रॉम द जनरल पब्लिक, कि प्लीज़ बी सेफ. थर्ड वेव की जो बात हो रही है, बिकॉज अवर जेंटलमैन, हम सरदारों में तो खून में है हमारी सेवा करना. ये हम लोग क्या है सेकंड चेन में सेवा करते करते इनको सेवा में जो है किसी की सेवा कर रहे थे. और एक भाई साहब जो बैठे हुए हैं वो भी कोविड सफ़र हुए वहाँ पर, Randhir Singh, even he is a patient who had suffered due to COVID, serving some other patient. So he served him and he got COVID. So service zarur kariye, but be cautious. Third wave is approaching. It's already in, I guess. Please be cautious. Please be healthy. Stay safe. And once again, with folded hands and from every bottom of my heart, we thank the management of the hospital and the doctor sitting here, right from the physician, general physician, MD or internal medicine, then all our surgeons over here. Thank you so much once again. Thanks to the media as well. Thank you so much.